I'm trying to figure out a good way to install this rear tire onto the swing arm. And right now, QS gave me this hardware. This is kind of how it locks into place. I ended up getting a 1 foot long Delrin bar that would fit through my swing arm, and I cut it with a chop saw because Delrin is actually extremely difficult to cut. So I cut those in 2 halves, and what I'm gonna end up doing is, after cutting the slot through the swing arm, these are going to slide through just like that, all the way through into the swing arm. What I'm trying to figure out is where exactly this will be sitting on the Delrin piece once it's inside, just like that. So I just pretty much cut out a cardboard piece. I'm gonna just slide this in here, and then I'm gonna trace this out. Now it fits into the QS motor very nicely, but it's actually going to be out here. So what it's going to end up looking like is this is going to go on there, and then this is hypothetically the Delrin bar that's going to be in the swing arm, and then it'll fit. I just got to cut out the hole, and then I got to decide where I want this whole location to be to lock it into the swing arm. Using this as a template just to see how this will fit and work out while everything is fit into the swing arm. On this side, you can see there's a locking plate with a slot hole that I'll have to put right through here on this side, and I purposely left one out just so you guys could see. So this is going to be on the other side, so that if this bolt comes loose or something happens, I'll have a bolt that comes through the swing arm, so that if anything were to happen, it's still attached to the swing arm itself. Since I have such a hollow swing arm tube, even though it's steel, I'd rather have the nut compress something really strong, a strong material on the inside, so these wouldn't have a chance of caving in or anything. So that's the whole idea, and I'll keep you guys posted on how everything is gonna be coming along once I put this all together. Thanks.